Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, the first, fourth period here at KIT Iizuka campus. This is English 7D. And I am recording right now. So let's do this explanation in English. After I'm done the explanation, then we can give you a little bit more of an explanation in Japanese. If you have any questions, you can ask me. You can ask me right now, but if you feel more comfortable asking me in Japanese, that's fine too. Okay, today is May 1st. Now, be careful. You probably already know this, but our next class after May 1st is May 15th. Okay, so there's no class next week. And in that case, you have a little bit more time to do your studies and stuff like that. Let's get back to this week. Now, this week, there isn't that much for you to do. What we'll be doing right away is going over the Quizlet material. So we'll be doing some Quizlet to begin with. And the Quizlet material that you're doing now, that'll be important for the vocabulary quiz that you're going to have the next week on May 15th. So before you do the vocabulary quiz, I suggest you take a look at the Quizlet material we're going to do today. Hang on, let me just screen lock that. We're going to do today. And the listening quiz that you have from this week is related to the shadowing that we did last week. Okay, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, you also have a reflection. It'll go there. Okay, this reflection is about a very important thing that I want to study more and more as we go through this class. And it's about the idea that English, if you're going to speak it naturally, has a very interesting way of changing the sounds of all of the words. And this idea is called linking. Okay, it's the idea that words join and the pronunciation changes. And if you don't know how to do this skill, it makes it seem like English is a completely separate language. So I want you to watch this video. I want you to think about this question. What else did you learn about liaisons, etc., etc., and then answer on a blank piece of paper, handwrite your answer, take a picture, and then send it up to me. I just want to remind you, though, for some of you, you are taking a picture of your paper, but you're forgetting to turn off this screen lock. But turn off the screen lock so that it's off before you take a picture. Otherwise, I have to look at your answer like this at 90 degrees. So please make sure when you send your photograph that the photograph itself is correctly oriented. Take off the screen lock and look at the picture before you send it. Okay, otherwise, I think that was it. Oh yeah, and you have your listening quiz. So please don't forget your listening quiz. You can take that up to 3 times, okay? And you have 15 minutes to do it, but make sure that you do that before the due date, okay? If you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come and talk to me after the class is finished, okay? Thanks very much, everyone.